Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to cook egg curry with potato. First, let's ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You will need 6 hard-boiled eggs and 2 medium-sized potatoes. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Don't forget your essential spices like turmeric, chili powder, coriander, and garam masala for that authentic flavor. Now, let's build the delicious base for our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Then, add the chopped tomatoes, cooking them down until they soften and the oil begins to separate, creating a rich base. With our flavorful gravy ready, it's time to add the stars of our dish. Carefully add the peeled and cubed potatoes to the simmering gravy, cooking them for about 5 minutes. Then, pour in 1 cup of water, bring it to a gentle boil, and let it simmer until the potatoes are tender. Now, gently place the hard-boiled eggs into the curry, ensuring they are well coated. Allow everything to simmer together for another 5 to 7 minutes. To complete our wonderful egg curry, let's add the finishing touches. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This will infuse the dish with an incredible aroma and depth of flavor. Finally, garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro right before serving. Your delicious egg curry with potato is now ready. Serve it hot with fluffy rice, warm naan, or soft roti for a truly comforting and satisfying meal that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.